Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to biggest breaking news. TCS Free NQT hiring is finally announced. The current time of India is 5:20 am. It's 18 February. Good morning to all of you. Believe me guys, you can definitely crack this opportunity. We are not here to sell any of the courses, masterclass. Just see this free preparation videos will definitely helpful for all of you, and this video is related to step by step registration process. Yesterday night, due to some emergency, I not make the TCS NQT video, okay, but I am making now, and don't worry, I will come up with the special syllabus pattern video. Okay, what about the roadmap video? No need to worry about that. You can just mention in the comment section detailed video. I will definitely come up with the video. Believe me, we have to crack this opportunity. So we are seeing the apply for drive. It's a digital and prime opportunity. So let's start. So TCS career opportunity seldom strike twice. This one redefines what's next. Okay. TCS All India NQT hirings are there. 2026, 2025, 2024 batch are here. Prime and digital cadre opportunities are there. Currently Ninja role they not mention, and this is one of the biggest hiring in the TCS history. Why I am saying that? Because they consider 3 batches in a single time, and it's not possible in the previous year. It's a great thing that they are considering all the batches. So offer category is CTC range. UG is 9.09 LPA to 9.30 LPA for the prime. UG means you are from undergraduate courses, BE BTech related courses. One thing that I have to mention, which courses are eligible. TCS NQT is open for 2024, 2025, 2026 batch of BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MCA, MSc, MS in any specialization. Understand, you are from any of the batch, you can apply, and this is for the PG postgraduate. This is a prime, and if you have an experience of 1 to 2 years, because 2024 and 2025 batch have some kind of experience, so your package will be also redefined. Okay, means you have opportunity of 12.26 LPA in the TCS through off campus hiring. Okay, registration start date is 18th February, end date is 20 March, and test date is 10th March. One thing, this is the first test phase update. We do not have to confuse in this thing that registration end date is 20 and test date is 10th March. It's a first phase test that, and most probably the test is in the form of phases. Okay, your career deserve. So first of all, the application process were there. So we have to go to Nextstep portal. This is a Nextstep portal. One thing that I have to mention, in the TCS NQT 2024 mass hiring, 48 videos we created on YouTube related to free preparation video with everything for 25 batch. Similarly, 18 videos we created related to PDF, exam rule, everything. Okay, no need to worry about that. And simply for interview preparation we also created, so no need to worry about that. First of all, we have to consider all the scenario. If you already registered user under TCS Nextstep IT portal, kindly log in with your TCS reference CTDT ID number. When you go to Nextstep, there are two options coming. So if you are 26 batch, so you have to click on register option here, and you have to choose information technology and just continue. Otherwise, you can click on the login option here that is available. Okay. So scenario, if you are a new user, you have to click on register now, choose IT category and proceed to fill form. It is mandatory to click on apply for drive option to complete your registration. It's the one most important thing. Apply for drive is important. Select the skills in which you wish to evaluate it. So now the skill is coming. We will see in the registration form. Select in center mode of test. Choose your 3 preferred test center and click apply. So it's a in center opportunity. You have to go to center. Kindly note, allocation of test center will depends on center availability. Select the 3 preferred job city to confirm your status. Track your application. The status should reflect as applied for drive. Okay. One thing that I have to mention, you guys can check. You must have all original documents to the date to be submitted at time of interview if interview shortlisted. They not ask any kind of money, deposit money for any employment offer, does not ask. They clearly mention, and this is a help desk, and this is the academic criteria. You guys can check backlog error, extended courses type, open schooling, work experience up to 2 years are eligible to opportunity, because they clearly mention 1 to 2 years are eligible for that. Okay, and this is a hiring category for prime candidate, for digital candidate, and for ninja candidate. But here one thing they mention, hiring category nature of work they mention, but currently they are hiring for launch your TCS CTC opportunity at TCS Prime and Digital. Let's hope for the best if they consider for ninja or not. Test features is this, there are two section, foundation and advanced section. No need to worry about that, I will come up with a specific video. Okay fine, let's start with the registration. Welcome abroad TCS next step. Click on register option here. If you are new user, you have to choose the IT, and just you have to choose like IT, and you have to continue. You have to use your email ID. So you have to do this registration ASAP. After submitting your OTP, the main other verification step will become. Please fill the following details as per Aadhaar card for purpose of authentication. Okay. After clicking on other verification, they are asking your personal details, including your education details. So we have to fill like this. Okay. Now you have to choose your TCS nearest office. Suppose I am from Indore, so I have to choose like this, and I have to choose the educational institute. What's my educational institute? Side by side you have to apply for opportunity. Okay guys. Now the main thing is come, they are asking what's your year of passing for IAS qualification. You are from 24, 25, 26, 27 batch. So 24, 25, 26 batch is eligible for opportunity. So I have to choose like this. Then we have to fill this captcha. One thing that I have to mention, once your registration is completed, this type of your reference ID DT number is generated for that, and we have to click here to login. Then we can click here to login. When you log in on the TCS Next Step portal, the one thing is coming that, hey Sangeeta, welcome abroad on TCS Next Step portal. I am doing registration with my mom details. So basically this is the application form, but the one most important thing, it is in the new registration process. The application form can be filled after test results are declared. So this is not mandatory to fill this application form as of now. You can fill the later as well, or you can fill now, there is no problem. They clearly mention can be filled after test results are declared. We have to choose the skills on which you have to evaluate it. There is a new section, apply for drive, which is like now the application form details are not needed for applying for drive. They clearly mention All India NQT for the batch of 24, 25, 26. It is mentioned in the registration form itself. It's totally up to you. Basically in the application form, what is the application process? You have to follow your personal details, academic, work experience, other details. Okay, now this is related to your academic, work experience, what's your graduation degree, other details. Okay, so I will show you achievements and certification. It's like previously declaration you have to use, have you appeared, application form preview, TCS terms and condition, and this is application form instruction. Okay, so there is no problem. This section is view only. You can't make changes here just yet. Fill the details of previous section to unlock this ones. It's a basic things. ही कोई वो मतलब rocket science है. You can simply fill this 10th 12 details, any other qualification, but we have to move on to the main thing. They clearly mention application form can be filled after test results are declared. So now we have to click on apply for drive. We have to select skills. One thing, please choose skill as very careful. AI ML CC++ cloud core Java cyber security data science .NET Pega Python SQL Salesforce. Suppose I am proficient in Python. Cobra is not mentioned. So select the skills. So click here to select the skills. Now the all are India states and locations are here. So I choose Madhya Pradesh Indore like this. Then second is related to where is the Rajasthan Ajmer. Okay, third is related to Madhya Pradesh Ujjain. Okay, three like test center I choose. And what is your preferred job location? I am preferred at Indore location. Second is related to Bangalore location. Third is related to Ahmedabad like this. Okay, just you have to choose like this, and very carefully while choosing this skill set on which you are evaluated. Apply for recruitment drive. You have successfully applied for recruitment drive. We are pleased to inform that your application for recruitment drive has been successfully received. Your next step is to be await for further update. Okay, when we click on track my application here, so you can see on my screen on 5:30 the candidate registration option is there, and now the applied for drive status is shown. They clearly mention here to confirm your status, track on your application. Yes, we are here, track for application, track my application. The status should reflect as applied for drive. They clearly mention there is no problem. Okay, the application form can be filled after test results are declared. If you have still query, you can send email to ilp.support@tcs.com. Let's search, is there anything are there. Apply for drive mandatory. Yes, it's mandatory. If you do not click on apply for drive, you will not considered for TCS NQT entry level hiring process. Okay, so once you complete the registration, log out and log in again, then click on apply for drive. Okay, one thing that I have to mention, if the apply for drive option is not enabled in your, you have to choose, you have to check this below things. Check the year of passing you have entered in application form. Okay, they clearly mention. So what about the registration form? We have to check. Yes. Can I change my photo in application? The application form can be filled after test results are declared. You are requested to carefully follow the below instruction while uploading your photograph. Okay, so there is no problem. How you can know that your test is scheduled? They will share by this email ID. It is a TCS Ion. Okay, how do I contact when to upgrade my offer? Will I eligible CTC? Okay, they clearly mention, will I eligible for Ninja offer? We are focusing on prime and digital candidate. However, Ninja offer will be based on performance during hiring process. Still, Ninja opportunities are also there. They clearly mention. So no need to no need to confuse. The minimum CTC of Ninja is 3.4 LPA for UG and 3.6 for PG. Means still if performance is not up to mark, so they will give this Ninja opportunity. They are focusing on the prime and digital, but it's based on the performance. Will TCS consider my internship? No, I am currently working. They clear, TCS does not ask candidate to deposit any money at any stage. Okay, so this is all about the process. They clearly mention apply for drive option is here. Application form, you have successfully applied for TCS recruitment drive. So this is the process. I hope you find the video well. Soon we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.